Hey everyone, I made it inside a new Hobby Lobby. It's the most wonderful time of the year. You have the snow, the red truck, and the wreath. And look, in this location, there's plenty of snowmen. I do love the snowman family. They're like my favorite. His little top hat and his little pine cones. It says peace on it for $10. And don't forget, they are 40% off. And we have one with a little Santa hat over here. He is so cute. And the snowman family will be $30.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These Put a little candle in here. These are $7. You have Believe, Joy. Now these black velvet trees are new to me. How you guys feeling about that black decor on the trees? Let's see. And it says Noel at the bottom. These are actually quite thick. For $29.99 at $30. And on top, that is going to be $80. You have little frosted trees on the inside.
Joe, code 1 framing, please. Joe, code 1 framing.
And then over here, peace on earth and to all a good night. Oh look, they even have a little stocking. I missed it for $5.99, like a little wooden one. And that snowman, he is full of glitter. A little tin, $5.99. And this one, I like how it has deer on it. And a little Christmas tree, I like that. These are gonna say Joy. And $29.99, these are gonna light up. Well, they're kinda cool, right? A little glass one. Merry Christmas. Maybe throw some candy cane in here. Hot cocoa packets. Make it into a little gift. Those are $5. I want to see how much these are. These are $25. Okay. 25. And then we have your silver bell.
These are 20. Oh yeah, oops, $20. And your frosted little trees at the bottom, they are 5. These tall trees are 25. You have the pine cones, a little bit of that frosty look. These are kind of nice, right? And even the small ones are $20. And look, these are full of glitter. They're rose gold for 15. They even have a green one. Those are 20. You can make like a little Grinch display. Now down here is going to be a little different. They're frosted for $20. I feel like most of these trees might be 20. And of course the shatterproof ornaments, red and gold, and they do have the large. These are $8. Little tiny ones, little DIY project. And these will light up for 40. If you're looking for a smaller one, $30. And 50 for the tall. Look at these white ones. I don't know if I've seen these. Of course, they're glittered out. But you know, they're shatterproof. They're only $8, so not bad. And these trees are going to have a little bit of glitter in them for 10. So they're pretty much $5.99. Christmas tree farm is 15. So about $9. $8.99 to $9. This is really cute, right? It looks like a little burlap sack for 15. It is breakable, but that is actually quite cool. You could put it even a maybe like one of these trees on the inside. Fresh cut Christmas trees are $8, $7.99. And they even have your red. Let's see, these are 10. See, here's what it looks like with the little tree. So not bad. Little joy one. Again, I feel like these would make great gifts, right? I feel like you need a thicker tree. Yeah. It's like a little milk one. These are 15. And I'm gonna make my way over here. We're gonna find more trees full of glitter. These are $11.99. Kind of like a cement tree, right? These are kind of cool. These are 10 and they're actually quite heavy. Really, really heavy. These are 20. A little wooden one with like a galvanized tree in the back. These are $20. Oh, they're just hanging. They're like little dice. It is full of glitter, but I feel like if you're not feeling that, not really glitter, it's like that fake snow, like clear glitter, you could dust that off. Well, look, a little mini tiered a little mini two-tiered tray. These are $8. And a Merry Christmas for 15. Little burlap banner. $100 for that wreath. It does have some gold glitter in it. This frosted one with little mini pine cones for $59.99. There's quite a few actually. Check this one out for $100. Just so many to choose from. You have your garland with the gold on there. That would look pretty nice. Maybe on a mantle, even stairs.
We need new stairs.
This is nice actually for $22. And this one right next to it is $29.99.
This is 140.
Yeah, the red one, 140. And the frosted is 80. Alright, you guys, I think that is gonna do it for this part of Hobby Lobby walk through of Christmas. It is here, it is on sale. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. This one right here is 50. Then plenty of like your DIY wreath. They also have lights here, so on Christmas lights, they're going to be 25% off. Your icicle lights are 15, and then take your 25% off. These are really nice, right? For $13. My husband loves like the traditional old-fashioned look. Look at the garland one.
That's pretty.
For 20. Are you guys white lights or colored? I'm kind of torn in between because sometimes I feel like a white light might look good. You know what I mean?
Oh, look at this. Here's like the actual the painted ones.
Oh yeah.
I like these.
They have it in red, clear. Here's a star one, a 30 count for 15. Oh, there's the little ones down there too. Micro dots. Maybe if you're doing like a little treat or village. These are 8. There's little mini ones for 7. Oh, those are quite bright. And they do have their clear one. Let me walk around here real quick. Oh, the scents. Cinnamon. And then I think we did like a evergreen or forest or something.
Kind of pine one, yeah.
Yeah.
And you know what? They smell really good.
They do. I do miss the traditional Christmas tree. I mean, we always had a real tree when I was growing up. And then, you know, when we got older, we just went to fake.
That kind of smells like a real one. Let me see. It smells like a Douglas fir or something.
Oh yeah, it does. Because you know how Target and Walmart, if you guys remember growing up, they had like the Christmas tree lot, and they would cut it for you, like trim it, put the base on, and then put it in your trunk. Like that used to be so much fun, you know?
We used to go to Home Depot for ours. Yeah.
And everyone would be out there helping each other. Then you can smell the trees. You got to pick your tree and then do that up and down, shake it. They don't do that anymore. I mean, they do sell Christmas trees, but I feel like the vibe isn't there anymore. Like, you know, they're just like, okay, I got to put it in her car or whatever. I don't even know if they help you do that. This is really cute ribbon.
No, I think
Little snowman. Of course, ribbon is 40% off. How much is this snowman one? For $10. Then we have your bird here. These are 10. Noel. These are like the satin ones, right? Those are nice. Some blues. This one's kind of cute, like a little skinny one. Plenty of reds. Oh, look at that one's different.
Oh, that's cool.
The gnome guys say Merry Christmas on it. Oh, here's a Santa one. This one's gonna be 8. Like a little candy cane. More gnomes. I mean, this whole area is nothing but ribbon. You have gold, green, and like glitter blue at the bottom. Some tinsel, 13. And of course, they're angels. They look a little different. $20. Look at this Santa. Different types of Santas here. $4.20. Here's a red one. Normally in Home Goods, they have like really nice Santas. Even Home Depot, you guys. Sometimes there's a nice one there. $29.99 for this angel right here in the middle.
They got that face shape on a lot of them.
Yeah, they have the same face. Like, yeah, there's a little one. She is gonna be 35. Oh, shine some bright on it. It's like sometimes their lighting is like so dark. I think she might be 30. Let's see. Yeah, $35. And more Santas at the bottom.
I like that one.
I think we have something similar like that. Oh gosh. These are 15. 12.
You know, this would be good for an office or something. I'm just not into stars and don't want to go.
Oh, look at this. It's like, I don't know. How do you guys feel about that? I'm not into like that gnomey bearded look.
I don't like the stuffed animal
Look.
look on my tree.
They have Mr. Christmas. It has an angel. What? That is new for me. Can we press that button?
Yeah, let me see.
$59.99.
Ooh, their
Ooh.
wings flap. That's cool.
I didn't know that. And there is another one. Let me hit it. Can we hit this one?